So ladder stands and platforms are basically almost a combination between a ladder and a stair. So they have certain provisions. Number one, they have handrails or stair rails on each side. You have to be sure that you maintain that. The ladder cannot shift and move while a person is on it because often those stairs go up, 10, 12 feet in the air. And if it has a platform at the top, such as you would use in a stocking room, a warehouse, then the guardrails have to extend around that platform as well. So those are guardrails at the top, and they're 42 inches high with mid rails, and then those are stair rails going down those steps. So if you are an employer who owns that type of equipment, you have to inspect it. You have to be certain that it stays in good shape, that it locks when it's locked, that it won't move, that someone can't end up on that platform picking up a heavy box or something from a rack and then falling off of that, either down those steps or over the edge.
Generally, ladder stands and ladder stand platforms are mobile pieces of equipment. They're large, they're heavy, they take up a lot of space, and they receive a lot of abuse. They're very useful tools, but they're oftentimes used in warehouses to reach product on storage racks, that sort of stuff. So when they're not in use, oftentimes they're roughly handled, they're shoved into corners, they're moved around with forklifts. And so the ladder stands can be damaged. So we need to make sure that they're being inspected prior to each use, make sure that the casters which they ride on are not damaged, that the locking mechanisms are still in good shape. Oftentimes ladder stands and ladder stand platforms are used to gain access to shelving where heavy products are being removed or placed, and those products, when they're dropped, can actually damage the steps. So an inspection to make sure that the steps are still level and are in good shape need to occur. It's quite frequent that we inspect them and there will be damaged steps, damaged casters, or the entire unit is damaged because it's been struck by a forklift or other heavy machinery, because people just generally don't take care of them because they take them for granted.